This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 3006. It is in like new condition. The chassis is a new 2018 E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. Mileage is under 100. Engine is a 6.8 liter V10 gasoline. Overall length is 270 inches. Overall height is 106 inches. And the headroom is 72. It is a Medtec module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, new Carson siren and speakers, new LEDs inside and out. It has a Xantec inverter charger with monitor panel located in the forward action area. It also has a new HVAC system. It is a new 2018 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It also features an Alu moose bumper. The body configuration is L number 1, left front oxygen. It has a universal bracket, also has storage for longboards adjacent. Also has an access panel to HVAC valves for service at the front of the compartment. L number 2 has additional storage and an adjustable shelf. L number 3 also has a shelf. Another could be added if desired. It has all new aluminum bumper pods, and a flip-up step. The load height is 31.5 inch, and that's before any payload. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas. It has several sliding drawers. Most of them are locking. It has storage behind and above. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It is a Type 3 walkthrough configuration. It has a Medtec console, and it has new Carling switches. Also areas for radio mounting and beverages. It has a right front inside-outside access ALS cabinet. Above and below are locking, and the sliding drawer is locking as well. It has several glove compartment storage areas. Storage above the squad bench. Has an Intelitech clock in the rear. It also has a whiteboard which can cover up the body side window and can be withdrawn if the window and peering out is desired. It has contoured cushions on the squad bench, vacuum formed, seamless, and it also has a deluxe captain's chair for critical care transport. The right rear compartment, R number 4, is for backboards. It also has a door opening allowing access from the inside. R number 2 is an adjacent small compartment with additional storage and also has a shelf. ALS cabinet allows inside-outside access. Also reveals the owner's manual and also spare parts kit. The unit has 2 batteries, one in the tray and one under hood. If you have questions about truck number 3006 or would like more information, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.